Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of approximately 9.42%. This equates to an average return of about 0.43% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $254.10 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.29% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 0.534% and 10.16%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 39.69% over the next year, with a potential return between 19.45% and 42.08%. This translates to a price range of $298.39 to $354.89 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Apple stock price gained approximately 0.7% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024. It rose from $248.05 to $249.79. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.92%, with a low of $247.09 and a high of $251.85. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.78% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 17 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 58 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $14.39 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $254.28, and the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 1.77%, or $4.49, below the 52-week high of $254.28, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple's recent developments reflect a complex landscape that could influence its stock performance both in the short term and the long term. The ongoing dispute with Meta regarding user privacy highlights the tensions stemming from Apple's app tracking transparency measures. These privacy-centric moves are part of Apple's branding strategy, but could lead to regulatory challenges, particularly as the European Union continues pressing for greater interoperability with competitors. This may introduce volatility in Apple's stock as the company navigates these legal waters. Additionally, Apple has reportedly shelved its iPhone hardware subscription plan, signaling potential shifts in its payment strategies. On a more positive note, Apple is actively pursuing artificial intelligence integration through partnerships with Chinese tech giants Tencent and ByteDance. This initiative could reinvigorate Apple's presence in a challenging Chinese market, which is critical for its growth prospects. This strategic alignment may bolster investor sentiment, particularly as artificial intelligence continues to drive technological advancements. Lastly, despite some recent insider trading activity indicating possible stock price fluctuations, Apple remains poised for substantial growth opportunities, provided it can effectively manage regulatory challenges and capitalize on emerging technologies. Overall, the interplay of these factors is likely to contribute to a mixed outlook for Apple's stock in the upcoming months, balancing near-term pressures with long-term innovation prospects. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, December 18, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Apple Inc. a grade of outperform, along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, December 3, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI also gave Apple a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Monday, December 2, 2024, it was reported that UBS rated Apple Inc. as neutral with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Monday, December 2, 2024, Jefferies assigned Apple Inc. a grade of hold with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, November 29, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated Apple Inc. as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $249.28 and $235.22. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, and so far, the stock has decreased by 1.46%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 18 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 149 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $232.87 and $228.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a drop to the next support. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $232.87. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $228.20 and $224.23. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.76 between its high and low, which represents 1.92%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.78%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio, is a crucial measure that compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is expected on the 30th of January 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $251.04. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of December, 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams also conducted an insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. Again, on the 16th of December, 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams sold 42,939 shares of common stock. On that day, he further sold 8,384 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that insider power is currently negative, with a ratio of negative 29.363. In total, insiders have purchased 2,060,786 shares, while selling 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $239.69, representing a decline of 4.04%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of December, we expect Apple to open lower by approximately 21 cents and begin trading at $249.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.